We are solving now question number 12 for this differentiation of AS level. The question is the volume of a solid circular cylinder of radius r centimeter is 250 pi centimeter cube. Show that the total surface area S centimeter square of this cylinder is given by S is equal to 2 pi r square plus 500 pi over r. Part 2. Given that R can vary, find the stationary value of S. And third part, determine the nature of this stationary value. It is the volume of a solid cylinder. So whenever it is a solid cylinder, that means the volume of this will be equal to 4, sorry, 250 pi centimeter cube. And the surface area, which is denoted by S here, is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. But if it is 1, the volume of this circular cylinder is basically equal to pi r square h, that is equal to v, and that is equal to 250 pi. Then h will be equal to 250 pi over pi r square. This pi and pi, that is cancelled out. So that thing is equal to 250 over r square. Now we put this value into this equation number 2. Then 2 will say that S is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r into H value is 250 over r square. This r and this r cancel out. So that is finally equal to 2 pi r square plus 500 pi over r. And this thing we are going to show in the first part of it. Okay, S is equal to 2 pi r square plus 500 pi over r. Then in the second part, they are asking find the stationary values. Since S is equal to 2 pi r square plus 500 pi and r is shifted to the numerator, it will become minus 1. So for stationary points, S is depending upon R variable. So ds upon dr will be equal to 2 pi is constant, r square derivative is 2r plus 500 pi is a constant and r power minus 1 derivative is r power minus 2. This thing is equal to 4 pi r minus 500 pi over r square. This is ds over dr. Then we put ds over dr equal to 0. So 4 pi r minus 500 pi over r square equal to 0. It is 4r minus 500 over r square into pi is equal to 0. Pi is constant, so it is going to divide on the other side. It will become equal to 0. So 4r minus 500 over r square is equal to 0. This 4r equal to 500 over r square. Then r cube is equal to 125. and R will be equal to 5. So this is R is equal to 5. Then we can find out when R is 5, we will put it to the S there. It will be 2 pi R 5 plus 2 pi R, and H value is given there 250 over R square. Then they are asking about this nature of this stationary value. So for this nature, you will find out d square S over dr square. Here we have calculated ds over dr is equal to 4 pi r minus 500 pi into r power minus 2. And d square s over dr square will be equal to 4 pi is constant, r derivative is 1, minus 500 is constant, into minus 2 and r power minus 3. This will become 4 pi plus 1000 pi over r cube. But r cube is equal to 125. So 4 pi plus 100 pi over 125. And this value is greater than 0. So the value is minimum. This is the nature that at this point it is the minimum of that value there. So when r is equal to 5, then h value will be equal to 250 over r square. That thing is equal to 250. For r is 5, so it should be 25. So that should be equal to 10 centimeter. Then the surface area of this solid will be equal to 2 pi r square, that is 5 square, plus 2 pi r is 5 square into h is 10. So that thing is equal to 25 into 2, 50 pi plus 25 into 10, 250 into 2, 500. And that thing is equal to 550 pi is the surface area of this solid here.